Hello and welcome to my Slow English podcast. My name is Mr. Matt and I am your English teacher. In this podcast, I speak slowly and clearly so you can understand English better. Today, I will tell you about my morning routine. Let's start. Every day, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes. I feel sleepy, but I get up. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. After that, I get dressed. I wear a t-shirt and jeans. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I drink a glass of water. I look at the clock. It is 7 o'clock. It is time to go to work. I take my bag. I say goodbye to my family and I leave the house. Let's learn some useful phrases from today's story. Number 1. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Number 2. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning. Number 3. Get dressed. I get dressed after my shower. Number 4. Make breakfast. I make breakfast every day. Repeat after me if you can. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth in the morning. I get dressed after my shower. I make breakfast every day. Thank you for listening to the Slow English podcast. What is your morning routine? You can write your sentence or send me a voice message. See you on the next episode. Goodbye.